I've got a hot flash right off the press from State Housing. Claude Spurlock has let me know that State Housing has finally announced details of their 2010 Heroes program. So anyone who has got a client in the following targeted group, please get them to me as soon as possible so we can get them pre-qualified. The targeted groups include teachers, police officers, correctional officers, firefighters, and EMS workers. There will be $7,000 in down payment assistance available for both Category 1 and Category 2. This money will be repayable if you're in Category 1 income group, but it will be forgivable if you fall in the Category 2 income group. So keep that in mind. We have a 5.125 interest rate. It's fixed, and it is going to be available for both categories. We have $40 million available, and we can start registering these loans on March the 4th. So please get your clients to me. You can call me or you can email me, Julia at threeriversmortgage.com, or call me at 803-451-7075 or 414-1040. Thanks.